This 2019 Thor Motor Coach Hurricane 35M is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Thor Motor Coach is 36 feet 9 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Saddleback Decor, Malibu Maple Cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, water heater, auxiliary battery, oven, external shower, refrigerator, TV, slideout, stove top burner, microwave, awning, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front bath, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2019 Thor Motor Coach Hurricane 35M is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.